Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Nike V5 RNR. Color black and anthracite. Wow, that is a huge shoe. It looks amazing. Shoelace is flat. I like it. Thick shoelaces. The shoe features a chunky yet lightweight foam midsole designed to provide responsive cushioning for all-day comfort. It has a dual density foam midsole that offers a blend of soft cushioning and stable support. The groovy design of the midsole is a key part of its U2K inspired aesthetic and contributes to its flexible feel. In line with Nike's move to zero, the V5 RNR is made with a significant amount of recycled materials, at least 20%, including post-consumer and post-manufacturing waste. It features a breathable mesh base with synthetic leather overlays. This combination provides ventilation and a structured supportive fit. The shoe's retro-modern style is enhanced by the prominent 3D swoosh logo on the side. That looks amazing. The shoe features a plush padded collar, very thick, and tongue to provide enhanced comfort and a secure fit around the ankle. Very thick, just love it. It is very soft inside. The V5 RNR has a durable rubber outsole. It has a unique tread pattern with grooves inspired by the early 2000s. This pattern provides traction on various surfaces for daily use. This is a defining characteristic of the V5 RNR. Its chunky dad shoe style has a retro futuristic look that is currently popular. Comes in many colorways with metallic overlays that gives a sleek, fantastic look. Just love it how it looks. Very soft materials. So let's try it on and see how it looks. The Nike V5 RNR has truly impressed me. It strikes a fantastic balance between responsive cushioning for those longer runs and enough style to wear comfortably every day. The lightweight design and breathable upper make it a joy to wear. Whether you are chasing a personal best or just enjoying a casual stroll, it's a versatile shoe that really embodies modern athletic footwear and a strong contender for your next pair of sneakers. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth look at the Nike V5 RNR. I truly hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of its features, its performance, and whether it's the right choice to power your runs and elevate your style. If you found this video helpful or simply appreciate seeing innovative footwear, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming year reviews, fitness tech showcases and athletic footwear deep dives. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other running shoe reviews and fitness gear insights right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Keep running, keep moving, and I'll catch you in the next one.